akasa with God, all things are possible. No, dear Niamunya, Unim Bibi, a so with those gods, there are some things say in reality and now in a normal sense, what the bemua impossible, but with that gods, possible. Why am I saying this? And I made the videos be better. Memoir videos be any the reason why I make us with that gods and all things are possible. Okay? Even with that gods, a fool can never see say we a fool. And yet with that gods, and I will be put a PhD. Wako school akasiye. Nanso Genesis chapter 1 verse number 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Obi kuta PhD, wabo degrees akasiye, wako school akasiye, nanso wakaya wonte asiye. This obi tise obi nimwa, wanko school da. And the kenka is asemono, no watrechira asiye di akyere wo wi a wo di adiniska. This obi tise kum tata, woni mu akenka isa mi amisiye. And Wabekin Kaya Samono, what they are discussing with Nipano. Enti, so Mokasa with God, with that, their gods, all things are possible. I was what he has here. Me pacha what he has here. Tienie, with Jesus or with Allah, with Yahweh or with whatever you call it, there are some things, when it comes to normal senses, it is impossible. But with that gods, it becomes possible. Because obi kuta PhD, obi kuta PhD, obi tise nana adodanko Akufo-Addo wei. Hwemoma nana nim, engoma o mampanyini Akufo-Addo nim. Na ono ne spiritual father ne. Ya friend say Owusu Bempa, Reverend Owusu Bempa. I was so who say with God all things are possible. This Owusu Bempa katre your friend said Nana Akufo-Addo say si cathedral and son was see. Genesis chapter 1 verse number 1. John 10:30. I and my father are one. This kwabranea wako school ekute degrees akasiye PhD akasiye ekute doctor degree ekute degrees akasiye beko akotenase ama yabe John 10:30. I and my father are one epirikino ya kenka ya chireno ni ya wonu na turu wasi wose me dabia meba ba kenka ya samu e ya chire wono oba abosumi bia na say every month bia na every week bia obeba no e wose wo bre me sika sei esan say wonu no akenka no eye ne dine so oba kenka opo old school awako nti obeko akotua sika bia ma obi a wan ko school say on chire no John 10:30. I and my father are one ase. Mami nka sam nkyere o se okenkai ye nuanom nkremofuo no wo mo komhyeni na wo di na chi na ya frɛ no komhyeni Muhammad no okenkai no ne some documentary bia before say sa Allah no ebe frɛ no anase sa angel Gabriel na ebe dan ne ho di kyerɛ no according to documentaries no na ekyerɛ say that komhyeni Muhammad no was a generous person. Now when you generous, Obia Nana Ahozemechia, Obia, I said, Wawatima, Wawayamuye, Wabunipa, any Wawa of Dodi Menipa, no Obu Obia. The Patawati, I said, na Sata Mona Onyam Meye, Commissioning Pono, na Enipa Buno, a son Nibuanu, a woman penina, or Danu, a woman nipa, a whole farmer, a woman nipa, but essential with that God Allah all things are possible. Komsheni Muhammad better than Komsheni no, or better than prophet of Allah no. Wababa ye amroba na obeye no. Essential na only in call for singing power metiao ya jamani. One in call for co desert so no ma kwoti te desert so na o ma chin call for adu o ma japade afiri o mu nsam o mu wi a o ma che japade anim. With Allah no, and would this samu ba komcheni Muhammad trim, wetimi tuwa woni wabusuya, na wabekumo because monye Allah ni. Satam no, and humobro bi obia no wo manipa no efiri ni mu. With Allah all things are possible. Arentia because Satan na komcheni Muhammad na ombeye Allah komcheni na nipa kum kura beye ne den because according to documentary no na wo ayamuye ne odoni ehumobro di manipa but say okenkai book no ono komcheni Muhammad de baya kokenkai Quran sura 9 ayat number 1 ekosi down ehonu mu nyina ye kum nko a Quran sura I think say 48 say 41 ya name ni Muhammad kwana kokin kai ho eye kunu ni bone nko a na ho esanse nyame no a ofred koncheni Muhammad no na koncheni Muhammad was according to documentary no na waye obi a na wayemuye wo tema wo humobro manipa but Allah never fa no was son totally ama ne bedane a wicked person na okum nipa kora wo nyene ho ne bata what you say. With God, all things are possible. Of course, with this God and Koan, and a bema ensure to obi se me de Allah ka wompai bomunti. Wobedina ensure ni ma bompaye, ama ensure abono because se wa nyina ensure ni mu amompaye no a, what the Allah ka asotwe beba ne so. Obi a sabi mpreduasa, na adwini mu da ho, se wo ye adwuma na wo pesika mpo a ne se ensure to a. What's sa woni amani kudem na wafri nsuo ni wo se wo ma nsuo mpo sa wo koya de bi ehia na nsuo to a ensuo ni timi je wo kafie because wo nkoma nsuo ni mpo but with Allah ensuo to a enipa bi timi tina nsuo ni mbo mpa ye hwe with Allah adia eye dam mpo no e be ye normal di manipa bi ma me ma hwe video no neba with God with this God all things are possible. A fool can become, you know, a wise in front of this. When Saubeye a follower of this God, even Sabi Jimmy Fwampono, who say what Jimmy, because Jimmy Fwon in the bedi wanim, Jimmy Fwono, and the bedi wanim as a leader, and to the warrior. Baby, I wadi wako urano. Jimmy na wo Jimmy ni mpo uhuru se wo Jimmy. La ya ba for me chia Jack me chia o. Me pata what ya se he. Mami kan sa munchira o. With Allah ena obia ni dini po ontumi nkere. Obia ontumi spare ni din. Obia wansi school demo da. Enipa 1.something billion. Edi neti wa asasi so. Komcheni Muhammad akenkai Qur'an wonim. Ni dimpo na woni mo twere me ya metine kan kakra twere kakra mpo ya ba ya katra me se me nko back nko sua de owia na wafre komsheni Muhammad said he was enipa bia ni suni pa ma asasi so that because of the book wa bere no with God all things are possible me na me katra me ba ma me ntere wa de wa ha na say all things is not possible. Ewo in the name of this God, sir, enka yetimi manipa. Every mura sa aboa. Enipa na owi mura sa aboa because ne sofo say eya kontre nyame bia ma no. Wo de he say wo ye nipa na se wadwunu mu da ho na se sa de we wo be ya. Me di o ni tino. Hwe Ensi oto me pa tese ma ensi oto gidi pa o abusuafo ensi o na eto ni su yensu ketwa o she ensuo na eto no enye nsukitwa e na eto bet kwabena ni butumu bo mpaye kwabena ni butumu se sata mo no wo mu no sata mo no nsuo na eto no entimi nsi ne mpaye bo ano kwan se sabi mprediasa se wadwini mu da ho a me pa cha sa de wo beye ala ni mu se sa tem no mo ankasa de mo gidi se ensuo mpo eto a efiri ala ensuo nto ensuo ni mpo eto a eye nyame na mensuo to enti sa tem no nyame ni si ensuo nto sa tem no a wa mo mpa ya na aye den ensuo to gidi kwabra ni butum se me bompa ye akire nyame di abusiafo say kase religion e legalized madness ye ni fa bi mti ase we nya modam ayasa yase me pacha sani power ya pia bontene na nsu opo na wo biti nsuo ni mu na nsu obo no se nipa na kasa wo ton ade apesika ensu oto nsu wo ti nsuo ni mu mensu obo no a wo be kasa nipa na bodam se nipa kro wo ya ensu oto wo putu mu a wo bo mpa yi atere ala no se wo koduru ba bi na nsu oto na nipa ni tim na ensu obo no se oton ade wo nsuo ni mu a wo wi obeka te nipa ni se nipa na bodam. But essential with Allah, all things are possible. Ninti wabodam wo hunu se wabodam. Me bata wasi ase with Allah abodam kura no nya abodam no. Wo sinsuo mo bompa ensu obo no. Minim I dabiana me kasa asem we. Se obu sakramoni se one kire one reason tia Allah eye all powerful. Unto me ma one reason ba kokora. This is the problem outrageous people know. Prove Italian at the frontier wo unyami awudi nati eye all powerful. Unto me prove nchirawo. Nyame a watimi ye di atoro asre ni komsheni ama ni komsheni ni kura hu ni se da bi nyame we di onka na kore enti duru ba bi a e wasa me so me di atoro to aso se nyame we wuda so di nachi. Yen hwa de bi wa ha sei sadie we se wuye nyansani anase even video ya me de be kire we no omo wa sori dem wo pia bontene no omo hunu the same asem kuro ni bi kwa so wa bontene ya omo betua ba ne sika ya ko nipa ne so be adie bi a ekoso wa sori dem essential with God all things are possible ni ti we de ekoso wa sori dem me the video ni kire wo neba she meba me the video ni bi betrew ma mi wura Facebook na mi video ni mfa nkyerɛw ya awra wosam wo abusuafo ya awra wosam me say ya awra wosam say yeni anomo no eniema bi koso a yeni anje betumi akachi pastor that time please pastor this one is not in your church, I beg your pastor. Don't try to pastor, pastor, don't try to please pastor. This one is fire. This one is not just a pastor. Please pastor, don't try it in your own church. Show God prophet, please, I beg you. Don't try it in your church. You will be my son. Yeah, you will be mammy was sorry them in the name of God. Said you will be mammy was sorry them. Do not try it. In your church, I beg your pastor. Don't try it, pastor. Pastor, don't try it, please, pastor. This one is fire. This one is not just a pastor. Please, pastor, don't try it in your own church. Show God prophet, please, I beg you. Don't try it in your church. This one is exceptional. This one is extraordinary. You will be mammy was son them. Shani Padutua echa son them woshia. Me pacho show. Shani Padutua echa son them woshia. Ebi kura nani baby wo. Ebi anani nyabi. Ebi anani krubi wo. But in the name of God, shadi ye mammy no wo from ho. Now me catch you say in the name of God all things are possible. In the name of God, ye betu me ati obi atu waka obi te. Neni penny na to even police commander. Ebet na wama in the name of God on yatini pani to work kaniti. Ebeye possible. Police commander Timin Kawe, the law can never deal with him. Until with God, all things are possible. You have to understand it. Sadio way, Nipana Wamugua Sunday morning Pia Pontene. Eko to se wobia chima nibia, wakuta crutches at form, and the crutches ne one. Wamunua be two good nipa cronu swab and said the nipani dini and samfon. That sense in the name of this God. It can be possible, Ninti. Wamatenafe, Amaye, Siba Mamene de, crutches will wama meno. Impossibilities can always be possible in the name of these gods. In the name of these gods, impossibilities can always be possible. That is the gods of this religious gods. Maybe. In the name of these gods, everything is possible. Even an armed robber, to be friend who you may suffer. Now, oh, buffer about for fast or sorry them. Shedia.
Direction be all your munda namufangu or some fan doing. I mean, cook direction. That is may preserve your health. That's okay. That's okay. Michelle, see a one person to say. May cook this year. Direct. Sorry. That's okay. Michelle, see a one be like one person. May cook directions this year. Direction be all your munda namufangu or some fan doing. I mean, cook directions here. That is preserve health. Amen. Health. Where I'm going, don't put a kind of person, but inform them at their 2 minutes. Okay. Let me fast. I'm done. 200. I'm going to show you what to use it for. The low 200. The yellow, if you have it, what's the name of but then the time of block, I can't make we probably go and so minimum 7. Run, let me fast. It's up to the open baby, a room or 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Put that. We have a baby, your real or swab a baby. Casaguso. Okay, right. It's about 20 cities are for the mere direction I'm going fast. Now, couple inshallah.
Befa coke bako 200 cities. Befa what you say? Befa coke bako 200 cities. And with this course, even an armed robber Korano, our whole country
in the way of coronavirus, in the way of global pandemic, may our God, the God of all God, the King of all kings, as you drink, as you go to water, as you get connected with this, may God protect you. Amen. Praise God. Amen. I want as many as you can come and say, come and blend the church 20 CD, 10 CD to 1 CD. Let me fast. Put it there for me.
What 200 cities? Well, we are. Then somebody makes it up. Sorry. When you're robbing. With this boss, and now to me, and with this boss, now to me, when you pound to a mobile fako. Now, to a mobile to me, Womusika, Womani Tiasa will go a chrono, and so, and never was a chrono now over mono. And then I make catcher will say with this ghost, impossibilities can be possible. Sadi Pacro will help Pierre Montene. Now, Coachia will be a common and walk cut and say, Bra, Mr. One number one, accommodate me. na who is 200 cities bi show botom yi ma me nkoto aduane ni a wo beka tra ni se nipa ne ye kromfo anase nipa ne yisuo ni bone but when here why any holy robin and one from what the mobile was sorry them when we are was it that says the Lord. Brabeto coke bako 200 Ghana cities, you said 20 cities. Now one find your country, my coronavirus to me for this account. Sasso Fukuro Yana one was a nose mask. Instrument to me question. Me patawati ase. And when you follow these gods now, there are so many things. So when we won't free Sassum way more. Next, I heard your more yanoa. Ube waking up from Ube waking up. Next, what general Ube Yami and Nina Wardinimu. Now, what can I say back? Now, show more. Not your boy yelling in a naya or city. When you are inside that, the Akosu in a woman, no, the Asofu yen in a what you are about kind. What's so quite sorry, there be more. What don't cook back on the 10 million? And back. What sorry, there be more. Suffer better me at don't cook back 10 million the amount over top. Even what to me cotton and one. When we are now able to put the boom to one kitting. When we are now at all at 20 more money the amount 10 million ye better. With God's, these things are possible. But Opa wo kokoto anwano. Never can say oh bubu no tot. Now ubu one tot to be anwa what they get 10 cities kuranoa. Ti asemo ye beka tro so ye kromfo. Edru sata mo no wa ba ni normal senses nti. Die obi yare no wo be hu say ye kwa no krono. But obe kwa koto sa oye krono abia. E wo toa kitikiti bi mu a even wakaso wo de no anwa mo kuranoa. One cup for enso no. Ye beto amani 10 million wo beto. Me ba te wat ya se. Ye beto e di amani 10 million wo beto. Che ebinie.
Yeah, the both religions are now throwing stones at each other. The Muslim and the Christian. The Christian are throwing stones from the church, while the Muslims are throwing from the outside. Yeah, the both religions are now throwing stones at each other. The Muslim and the Christian are throwing stones from the church, while the Muslims are throwing from the outside.
Me ba ta on di ekofo. Wey eye Jimmy Sam eye nkwasi asem wo yanse. But omo na omo ye no. Eye normal dem a wo mo. A Christopher wa sorry dem. Eye sorry. And Krabofo akodina wo ma sorry dem anim to bo boro wo mo. Adentia because and Krabofo na Christopher said the omo ye ne ye nkwasi asem. That who be king Quran no so a Quran never say both the Christians and the Muslims they worship the same God. Both the Muslims and the Christians they have the same God. That's a Christopher ne kwa sorry dem akọ worship the same God. Muslims ne ti ho anayi wo moya. Ebia ne say wo makọ wo mo to bo bro me say with these gods and all things are possible. Even bodam ni kura hu say wa bodam. The omo ye no e ya bodam sem totally. Bodam ni ena na mabontene a wo betumi atam boade abo ato boade abo wa bra wonye ne de. A Christopher ne nkremofo ne hwe. Enkremofo na koto omo wa asori dem toto bo bro wo mo dam. But sa bodam fo we say mo no enso wo mo say wo mo ye normal eche wo ade omo ye no won soso no. Me bata what ya say dia omo ye no wo wo tie tira wo ni say e ya bodam sem but omo no ye no wo mo ni say e ye nyansasem omo fight a holy war, a war to protect their religion. they are fighting for their God. But sebi in previous se adwene na da utirimu ni ye adwuma na se niema nyina sisusi ye di ma wa yenkum nyame. But with these gods, you know, when you are following these gods, you become such fool. Say nyame ti baby a word ne ho na wo kun tokwa bi di manua emfaso bi ani so. If we both no have the same God, agenti na wo say ceremony sum nyame a me ye Kristonia eye me ya. Kristoni sum ni nyame a me wa sori de me wo honom a e wo say ye me ya. Esan say sebe abodamu ni nti omumienu nyina hu so ma bodamu no bodamu ni na ya ade a wonnimu de wo ye o woye a de wo ye no wonnimu se de wo ye no eye papa anasa ye bone na wo a wadwene mu da wo se wo modam wo buku ye kuta wo ya se moni a Kristofo ni nyina sum nyame baako mu wie ya mu se Kristofo ni sum wo mu nyame a na mo se atoto aboroboro wo mo moto omo wa so dem ko bobo omo etuo ku no omo na me ka tell say ye betumi ye ku in the name of these gods court mpo ye mfa nkobra court mpo ye mfa nko ye di ukoduru court wa ye be ka tell say a spiritual fight. Now with gods all things are not possible. Enka obi tumi ka tell say fesikabra na me ma usika ntu. Oh, bra, sister, fesikabra bra me 10 million, na me ma 100 million. In the name of God, now obi nswo kukuru 10 million, the akoma obi say, jina get 100 million. What the many we are wedi? Oben fear bodyguards or ujimi or mobile. What did you call court to obey catch yourself with God? All things are possible. Yama yenin now. Mawanina with ghosts. Obi ekuta PAD said ya mekayen. Quran impona ya translated yaba English, you know. Wakenkaya wantiasye. Bible na ya translated ediaba wonuane kasa mono. Wakenkaya wantiasye infitiasye onyankopon bo soro ne asase. Ontiasye e wase obinim Duncan Williams ya friend say owusu bempa kumutacha nom ena kenkai de tire no na wo wi awodi aginisika enfitiase onyankopon bo so ni asase okaya ontiase gesa ya kenkai de tire no ye de agusika enti wako school na akwa emfaso ne sai wuti ukosua atro na wosua kenkai wo kan wotumi atiase wo tira wotumi atiase Bible no ya tiro ne dada Quran ya tiro ne dada ewa montene yesu obi ankoto bi nanso okoto a upon all idea wonim upon all PhD sekutano upon all certificate ekutano upon all scholarship ekutano okenkai Bible ontiasie wo nya sofo okenkai Quran ontiasie wo nya malam Stephen Mechiao eye only religion Enna yedi we edina homa de baako a bibia nkanam only religion only religion enna religious followers ba na ubusa question about the words in the Quran. Allah say he is one and only na nimni na ti obia ni ho ono dia woso woni ba wanya 3 in 1 nanso okasa yisu we our us ewom okoka aklemoni beba ka tro say we ayabako, us ayabako, our ayabako, in the name of religion. But we go school no ayatra in English ni yakata say we, our, us. Anytime biara obeshia 3 words we no, a representative for a drama niema mienu miensa ayako multiple things. Me pacha what ya say? Ejina homa adie mienu miensa enan ede koro. Adie ba ko nyina homa we. Adia ba ku nyina ho ma as adia ba ku nyina ho ma awa wako school ya kire no nanso essence in religion all things are possible nti ye betre no wo Quran ni mu say our messenger was say eye Allah nko a we sent was say eye Allah nko a As we came, was say a Allah. As we came, was say a Allah. Share. I mean, can't tell. One co school, no Koran campus was. Many a school, no one Kokora, no one, and campus also. Why? One mama, men or papa bregu. So, I'm about Kadu Co school because one more how more. Wama to omusika egu kwa. Wama to omusika egu kwa. Upon all doctor degree ekuta wo, upon all PhDs ekuta wo. Untumi nka John 10:30 enti asiye. Untumi nka John 11:31 enti asiye. Untumi nka Genesis chapter 1 verse number 1 untumi nka enti asiye. Adia yadi pen and paper ena atwere. Ya train wo people so dia ma untumi nka enti ase ensu otompa unhu se ensu oto na wugina ensu na wo bompa ye because all the alaka bra wo problem what me sa check videos ni bi meba I think say me sa wo videos ni bi wa ha me se menya bi sa dia kire wa bra wo problem Pacha who problem why? Another video ni. What do you have Eba. Video ya wo hero eye one mosque video we eye one mosque ewo one community o tie video we eye one mosque ewo one community wo one Allah wo one messenger called Muhammad. This community equated two sets of Muslims. One of the followers of one imam one followers, another imam one followers. Now omunina no aye the same mosque on our worship. Now the other day no one malam any call for the di kai wo mosque ho. So now was a malam no no ne call for di kai wa so dem one LED prayers. Another malam no ne call for baya. Woman battery sa malam ne di kai ne call for pie se omum pene Emma sama lamano nya sore ne da because sama lamano there won free Allah. But they have the same Allah, they have the same Quran, they have the same messenger, they perform the same salat, they call the same azan, but they have divisions with Allah, with God. All things are possible. Obumpono obunti omu asebra amika samchero religion eyane kore said ye nipa bi kan ye no legalize madness no I have Allah, you have Allah. You follow Komcheni Muhammad, I follow Komcheni Muhammad. You pray 5 times a day, I pray 5 times a day. You use Quran, I use Quran. Adenti na wasa mene wokun esan said we ya malamu min follow. Sadia waya na ekosu o Kristo sumu no. Enkremofoni to me dina bontene de condemn a Kristo fo no. But ekosu won kremo sumu omu no na make say. Ena make say eniyeme bi ekosu won kremo sumu. Adekro no ekosu o Kristo sumu. Enkremofo hunu ni say e wrong. That woman na Kristo fo side say e wrong. The ekosu o Kristo sumu no. En Kristo fo hunu say e wrong. That a cost one cremosumu, or moon is a wrong. Aday. because with your God, even Jimmy Fompo, wo Jimmy on say wo Jimmy. Ya bo krono mpo hu say ya bo krono. Ya power sum say ya power sum. Ya ma wa bi mura na me hwehwe sa video no ma hu no. Pastor bi order ne nkofo ma obo do omo call park to say omo nkọ we glasses. Omo nkọ we glasses omo nkọ we woman yere mo we glasses no. I don't care because so for say e ya kwankyere nyame akyere no. Eya wo semo. Bra. Meba. Em say me saw another video bi wa. Ma me hwe another video no me wi a. Be ma kwan obi opese wo ba so bia no. Na wa betre na adwene. Ba ko mienu miensa bi. Obi a ma na me di dwumadi na sia.
Relationships require endurance. Some of the people you meet, some of them have.
Mama say, "Sebetu me ehun video no quick." And kameni beje pa. No, I'm saying my messy video no. My messy video no. Ebusuafo said the American yema yanim na ho. With this course, it is only impossibilities that is possible for them. Things are even a child important. Now when you dear obehuni say sebi we be entasu bra nanka aden edian kwa na sampai go we be your bra. Na ensure top ensure kakraka we to akwabena ni gineginem ensure opuye say ye bo mpaye bra adai edie be nko a ensure to akwabena ni gineginem say ye bo mpaye akyere ala 7 previous enye damo a bra what did you da wa obeye we wo de wa kan kore wa wo hwe video no kan kore what did you da wa me pa chaw sa de we obeye what did you da wa obeye what did you da wa obetumi atena sorry dem ama sofo afa crutches e de wo obi ma me ayase tietie obi ma me ayase na wo ti wo na wo hwe because oja in the name of God bra mo ni na why. So say obema won kwan amia de say nyame wo ya e de agimi wasabi e de on be koso agimi wo saa e ya sori dem nko na wo be kwa ubon say ye betumi aton aboba no sofo ne be ma wo de aboba na firi wan kasa wo fi aba oba wo se fa aboba ne beguo na me bompa ye nguso ma mi wiam wa beto bo no de akọ watamfo eso wo agusuam empa ye na obebo agusuama no owia wase wo be ya kwankyere be so seed enti bo baba ko bia no bla betua 50 Ghana nipa dodo ode bo de be ko bia no wawia na wasa ton bo no ba ko bia de ama wo bia 50 Ghana wawia wase to bo ne kene na wakọ to bo na to atwene ade tin aye akọkọ we se bo ne ba bia ode to ye no ena hwa edawa ankokum atamfo bia hui afini ta so a sofo be mu asa de bo okro na asa ba no asa aton ama chebe sofo be sa ma de bo okro na asa ba na waton abo na ama etise mama nka ni say wo de mama nfa link ni nto ebia na obi peso oba so meba kan se mo de akere o etise enkramofo ewo terms bi say wo mu idi kase no a ala etitiri Satan ede ne to afie ase said ye beya omu betumi aye fasting no me pata wati ase link na media to so no se Allah wamo fasting kase ni through so a Allah chichiri Satan no wade na to afiase enti wade ne to afiase a kopem say wamo be ye fasting na wie no Allah won me Satan fani mfrefie na se wade na hye cage mu wade na hye mu enti oboye fasting ni nyina wia na Allah pepa wamo boni nyina ma wamo wie no wo wia na Allah wo cage na wade Satan hye mu no na wo bie cage na wo yi Satan na pia bontere sa ko keka wo mati ko mo nsa nkoye bone se de be ya afi ni sa duru ho a mese nya wo ma sa atene kom enti afi bia alaba wo tene kom because of onu nti onu nti o because say what is Satan dey ni share fiase no e na won beli no a because mo gidi say Satan e ma mo ye bone what is Satan to afiase no e na won beli no a enka wontumi nye bone that the sense Allah pesa wo ye bone what ani wa ye wo say men kan simple me hunu say ye min sin kan impo why you say buroni ba why you say toy bibia ma no e na wo de udi agoro be ba ta what you say because eye won na wa ma ho kwan say won fa wuni agoro nti wo de wo be di agoro you got me eye won na wa ma ho kwan say Allah eye o say kings way toy nti ono so be ye kings way toy you got me because buso afene so a Allah be titiri Satan am watire wo yem kom wotire wo yem kom ni wiye ye pe adana mo be yem fasting na wiye no a ade kire ya na wo bie Satan ya free cage ni no wa won atiko sa kwatwetwe mo nko bonim ayesa na si a me ka so mo ntine wo yem kom a wo nkire. Have you seen Satan before? It is only in religion and idea impossible o ma offer na say possible me mitiwe wontume nkantre me say bonsamunti mentre me yam comforted days menye wontume nkantre me say mentre me yam kon wan na akora because of bonsamunti se mentre me yam kom a ebia na busy ne maye e na menya kwan ni di wontume nkantre me say bonsam binti mentre me yam kom for a day menye nyankopon binti ensu oto mi konko dina mu mbompa yensu mfra no menye sate wona me Kristo ni no na me nanso me sori anado da suo na me dina ho re ba 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 she ba 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 ka ba 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 hinde de le be metia tia musa 2-3 hours na makwa akoda me sori 12 me bompa sa me na bo be 3-4 na makoda e bo 6 ana ma sa nyane na me ko duma enye mi ni padua na me ha no eye bi ni padua na me ha no enti in religion no everything there is nothing impossible or religion say be me kind there is nothing impossible but say o free religion mo there are things impossible say we be practice eye o trasia e sound so mami fanto the beya e be ka se mi ni di atem e sound so childish the man into me can't me say what quackotens what to ebura no what kora nsuo bi wo mu ensuo no da bia wo sori a wo bo so mpa ye na ensuo no eye nsuo a eye nsu kronkron okofa enkofo na betu ebura ne ma wo ena wunya nsuo wa asase na se but wofra ne ho sofo ni nti wofra nsuo ncha ye kronkron afi bia no wofra o bra beto bu na bu nsuo ensuo a okọ pipe wa no okoto na ye de bucket ba ko ma 20 pesos a wo be ko ho no wo be ko akoto no 1 gallon no ye nketinketi ni bio wo be ko akoto no 100 Ghana wo be ko akoto no 100 Ghana ensuo no nso wo de ba wo huru nti saye bia wo na brabom wo be nom ne se de wo no normal ensuo no kisi afi bia wo to obura bu nsuo afi bia woto abaifo nku afi bia wakomeka kobompa ye afi bia wache na ne yam kom because of Allah now so there is nothing bibia no asese won abrabo wa yes me am see ye me mompa ye Minyabe and Sano Corano, me gooby and a crazy say me penimera muno. Me patawat as ye. Me goo so, mango so, dear my bra bonetiana tear. This a me and Cassano me tutu manamo ye. Me ma adwene na da mitrimono eye adwuma na me hunu say 20 Ghana ba me nsemu a se me dia me dibi besie eye adwene no e na betum ni aboa me ama bra ba akomanim eye in the name of God ana obi wo company obi wo supermarket obi wo shop obi wo kuta adwuma kese the whole of the week in Wabetum, no was ya sorry them say, or one pire many uncle customers are breno. Tie. Who was store, who will be BRBO. O Cotanano a day, Ebia Nipa 4 or 5 Nebetobi. Who see we need customers? A week, what to my Cotana Pia Mountains? A day be a Nipa Mako 5 better week in a Nipa Senaba. Week in a woman 7 days in a week. 85 times 7, they say 35. Nipa mako 35 and abeto adie. But we say we need customers. What we say week in a quarter payment is our bomb. Sister, Nipa 35 in Sika and Shell. Oba yano customers no a day no Nipa 35 team better. There be Utumi kukuru sika se wo ko meka because of Zamzam water and tea. Sister, ne pacha obra mi busa wo. Wunnim sa wo ma me Zamzam water na wama wakoto bi pen na se ya tobi abra ne pen. Zamzam water ni bedru fie no e de na aya ma abrabo wo fie. Enso eyensu kro no a eda Ghana ni bi obobo antoa. Ya friend say esuo densu esu abena na de keka kan ho na ye sensuo no abia ne akosa bia bere enso wo ye no wo ta print take it wo to me ko meka ekototo body board down se wo kumbo nsam bra e sound good be ma ho ma wani na ho why ye de ye ntan o sa wo ye kremoni ena ye ntan o sa wo ye kristoni Nemo mu ye pese ye ma woni da ho enyema bi wo esom ni mu a sabi mprebiasa ento asom there are some things about practice here et is ceremony so dia no pa no sensu ogu no hwenim tie et is ceremony so dia no pa na wo sensu otugu no hwenim ewohoro na som wunim botaye ntia bonsama da no hwenim anadwo abedun so wo na som anadwo enti wa tunso de agu ni hwenim ayibu nsam afiri ni hwenim na wa wohoro ne dwonso afiri na sombra wan kasa samwe no in normal senses no yi mi busawo eto wasom sanya religion na ba mu wade adi say bo nsam tumi dani pass etimi dani pa hwenim na wa dwonso ni pass mu a enya religion na ba mu wade sa asem wo yadie na wo sori anopa wo be practice sa adie wo yi a bra one kasa e sound good the mouth e sound sabi nyansa wo mo the mouth sabi sore na ma bompa 5 times a day e ye boni wo nyame bi eni empa ye no the boni a e ye no eni sei mi busa wo mi pacha wo mi busa empire no wa ma ne boni a eye ne sen mi busa o se o tena se na wo dwene ho a ne boni a eye ne sen obebo mpaye owie a watwese kan e woni nua bisu obebo mpaye owie a oboni nua bi apo obebo mpaye owie a wobuni nua bi kwase a obebo mpaye owie a wotietie ni nua bi anim obebo mpaye owie a wode ni nua bi akọbọ akede obebo mpaye owie a watan ni nua wone ne tie empaye na wabọ ni nti wowie bibia that is religion That is a religion. A only religion. And a bema unu bone say a papa, no papa say a bone. Eti ya no monua, ya ni sa religious books no any woman ya mini. They see us as evil people. They see us as only people. They don't deserve to live. They are like animals are even more than a muampono. They have to be respected more than us because we don't believe in their gods. But sir, me betting yami wo yedie. Na ma begani wudini was asiso die. Said the America from the beginning of my program. No say in a religion. And answer in Islam, so can kind documentary about Abusiafo mesramo obi na sa afre me no mama me mfa dwumadie ni sia da foforo ye besan ato aso wa em se manya emergency call bi wo se mitwa de me ye no so da me kodi sa ankomo no da foforo ye besan ato aso me da masi makram bye bye.